All right, guys, we're in Henderson today, and if you're looking for a house for sale here with tons of living space, you're definitely gonna wanna check this one out. All right, guys, come on in. So right off the bat, you're gonna notice what makes this property so unique. This property is a multi-level home, meaning there's 3 separate living spaces in this home. We've got the primary bedroom downstairs with its own living space, but let's go ahead and start up here and check out the main living area. All right, so we're over here on the south side of the valley, west of Henderson right here. And the reason why this is one of my favorite areas, and which is why it's become a pretty desirable area, is because of all the convenience that surrounds this neighborhood right here. Just a few turns away, you've got a brand new Costco, which also has the gym over there built by EOS. You've got food, shopping centers right down the road off St. Rose Parkway. And of course, if you got a family with children, they've got great schools right around this community as well. And of course, now for all you pickleball lovers, they've got the new Chicken N Pickle complex that's gonna be built later this year, which is also a few turns away. Now, who doesn't want to live in this neighborhood? All right, so let's talk about some of the details of what this amazing house has to offer. So first of all, this house has 6 total beds, 2.5 bath, almost 3,700 square foot of living space with a primary bedroom on the first floor, making this a multi-generational home. Now it also has a 2-car garage with a beautiful, fully landscaped backyard with a covered patio ready for your barbecues. So you know, we can't talk about this amazing house without talking about this beautiful kitchen this house has to offer. So you've got this massive island right in the center. You've got a built-in microwave, a huge built-in fridge right here. You've got beautiful cabinets, and of course, you've got this 5-burner stove for you to cook all your beautiful meals on. All right, so after you finish cooking all those delicious meals, you've got this pass-through area which connects to the formal dining room right here, which is also connected to the formal living space right here. But for your everyday leisure stuff, after you get off work, school, whatever it is, of course, you're gonna be hanging out here most of the time in this crazy huge family room, watching the game, watching the news, or maybe just knocking out. All right, so let's go upstairs, check out some of the bedrooms. Again, the upstairs floor has 5 bedrooms. And the cool thing about this is this was actually supposed to be the primary bedroom right here originally on the original floor plan. And the homeowners actually split this into 2. So you'll notice that these 2 secondary bedrooms right here are gonna be much larger than your standard bedrooms, which are typically 10 by 10 or 11 by 11. All right, so at the end of this hallway, you're gonna have the full bath up here for the upstairs bedrooms, and you're gonna have 3 secondary bedrooms here as well. Not as large as the first 2, but still nicely sized. It's about a 12 by 12 bedrooms for each of these ones on this side. All right, guys, so now we're here downstairs on the first floor where your primary bedroom is gonna be located. And the nice thing about this is you're gonna have all this additional living space all to yourself with, of course, the access to the backyard. But come over here with me. Let's go through these double doors. Check out how huge this primary bedroom is. And again, the nice thing about having the primary bedroom downstairs is you're gonna be all separated from all the bedrooms on that 3rd floor, which is nice, gives you some extra privacy and just some additional space. And of course, in your primary bedroom, you're gonna have your own primary bath right here that has dual sinks. You've got a walk-in shower with a tub inside, and of course, this massive walk-in closet. All right, so if you're someone that likes hanging outside out of your house, this house has a beautiful, fully landscaped backyard with a covered patio, ready for all your barbecues out here during the summer. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this home tour, and if you can see yourself living in this beautiful house, I'll have all the details down below along with my information, so you'll make sure you want to reach out to me today.